Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. I have a festive sweater on. It's my first of many. Actually, I think I'm gonna do a whole video on like festive Christmas jumpers. I love the term Christmas jumpers. Let me know in the comments if you think that's a good idea. I have a quick one today. I'm doing my Christmas cards. I love sending holiday cards, and I'm gonna show you like how I'm putting it together. Mostly I wanna talk about the company I use. This is not an ad at all. I just truly believe they're the best company to get your Christmas cards from, and I wanna show you my holiday stamps. I'm obsessed with holiday stamps. I'm gonna show you. So these are the cards, and I'm not showing like the picture with our names and everything just to protect my family's identity, like their privacy. But I use paper culture every single year, and what I like about them is they like save my information from year to year. Here, I'm gonna show you the envelopes. I'm gonna show you the envelopes on the front, but I didn't want to share all of our family's personal information. But basically, so this is a blank one, but for free they will print your recipient's address and print your return label. It's amazing. It saves you so much time because I feel like writing out addresses is the most time-consuming part of sending these cards. So they print for free on the envelopes all my friends and family's addresses, and then they do a free return label on it as well. And so I don't have to write all that. I think that's the most time-consuming part of holiday cards. If you're sending like 70 cards, that's the thing that takes so much time. So like I said, this is not sponsored at all. I just love using them. Also, for every order, they plant a tree because it's so much paper waste. So anyway, I think they're a great company, and I ordered these last month. I've been sitting on them because I wanted to show you guys, and then I got a ton of different kinds of holiday stamps. Darling Hanukkah ones here. Super cute, and these were made with the Israeli Post. These Santa ones. This year, they're holiday wreaths. Alright, here they are. This is like such a satisfying sight. If you're somebody who likes to send letters, you know, this is like quite an accomplishment. I'm gonna stick these in the mailbox and head off.